What's up, everybody? It's your boy OG. We're back again with a little bit of a cooking tutorial. We're gonna be making a semi-vegetarian soup. Sorry to all you vegan bandits out there. It's a vegetarian soup with a little bit of a... That's not annoying. With a little bit of a twist. We're gonna have like bacon in it as well, so it's gonna be lit. It's like classic yummy food. So we've got a lot of onions here. I'm really hoping that we don't taste them too much. The tomato paste and the tomatoes are kind of gonna get rid of that really strong onion taste. This is the bowl we've got. It looks nice and green. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna chop up some tomatoes or tomatoes, whichever way you call it. All you have to do is just finely dice those and you're Gucci. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. And we're gonna put this in. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna start cooking it. Board. Alright, so now we've got a bunch of olive oil in here. And it's a freaking massive big boy pot. We're just gonna crank this. So we're just gonna chuck that. I'm gonna grab a big, fat wooden spoon. One of these bad boys. We're just gonna start stirring it.
This is a mushroom. I'm gonna slice the mushroom and put it in the... Oops. Let's not drop that.
What's up, dogs? So Ania is just making that mushroom. You know how it is, mushroom life. If you're a mushroom, make sure you subscribe. Oh, look at that. Looks delicious. So we're just sweating those off. That's coming together quite nicely. I've already added the herbs and whatnot. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these in now.
ASMR.
Okay.
Bacon.
Stop.
Bacon.
Vegan bandit's gonna freak out. This is the bacon that we're making right now.
I'm gonna pick
I'm getting sweaty doing this. And build a potato house. If things go wrong, we can eat it down.